Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a 2015 Ford Fiesta in the workshop. Let's have a look. So this Fiesta has come in today for the DMX7722DABS. So we've taken out the old basic unit and replaced it with this one. So now we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's wireless. I have my phone paired up now, so you can see I've got access to Google Maps and Spotify. I've also got Ringo for parking, YouTube Music. There are other apps you can use as well. One other thing we have done is fitted a reversing camera, so that'll help with parking. All the factory stalk and everything has been retained. This unit also has a DAB radio. It's got the user FM as well, and Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. And there we go, there's that one there.